Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be creating this look right here with this palette right here from Lime Crime. This is the Prelude Exposed palette, and this is what the inside looks like. We will be using the majority of these colors here. I think I used five of the colors in this palette. No, 6 colors in this palette. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Alright, to start off this look, we are going to prime. We're going to use Mana Beauty Simplified Runway Ready Face Primer. And for eye primer, we are going to go with Cinema Secrets Pro Eyeshadow Base, and this is in shade White. Okay, so I went a little overboard with the eye primer, but that's okay. When I'm done, it'll look normal. We are moving on to concealer. I am using Self Beauty. This is a Korean makeup line, and it's really, really good. I really do enjoy it. So I'm going to use the concealer, and we'll be right back. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to use 2 different foundations. I'm going to use Studio Makeup right here, and I'm going to use Makeup Forever right here. And I'm just going to use 1 pump of each and mix it on the back of my hand and apply it to my face from there. We are now moving on to eyebrows. We are going to use the Cream Shop Holy Brow. This is what it looks like. I'm going to start in with the lighter and then go in with the darker, and then I'm going to shape with this one right here and clean up. Alright, so we are moving into the eyeshadow, and we are using Lime Crime Prelude Exposed palette of choice for the day. We are going to start off with this. Actually, no, I think I'm going to start off with this color right here, Immortal. to take this pink color right here and I'm going to use it on the inner part of the eyelid and then buff out the brown, this dark brown color here. So now I'm going to take this brown color right here, this is called Nude, and I'm going to go on the outer part of the lid and buff it into the dark creases. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into the creases with this color right here called Storm. And now I'm going to take this color right here, 1484, and kind of blend the brown and the silver black color together. So now we're going to do under the eye, and I'm just going to use this pink for the inner corner, and then I'm going to blend that with this color to the outer part. Okay, so I'm going to take this gold right here. This is from Artist Couture. It's called Golden Hour, and I'm going to lightly dust that over the lids to give it kind of a shimmer. Okay, so now I'm going to do the waterline. I am using Marc Jacobs. This is Pink Swear. That is what it looks like. And this is just going in the waterline of my eyes. For top liner, we are using Black Hole Lasting from, I guess that is the brand. This is another K-Beauty brand. This is waterproof eyeliner, and this is in brown. Okay, for mascara we are using Heroin Make. This is a curling mascara and it is in a brown. This is a K-Beauty brand as well. And then I'm going to go over the top lashes, just the outer part here, to give it a little extra oomph with Marc Jacobs right here. so now we're gonna put some setting powder on. I just lightly dust. I don't bake or anything like that because I don't like it the way it looks. It might not look this age, but I am 40, and so when I put too much powder on, it might look fine at first, but as it sets throughout the day, it starts exaggerating fine lines and stuff. So I just lightly dust to kind of make it look smooth and airbrushed. And today we are using Beauty Bakery Better Not Bitter. This is Oat in Translucent. Okay, so now we're gonna do some light bronzing. I never do heavy bronzing or contouring because I like my skin to look relatively natural. And when you go out in daylight and you have that heavy contouring, it doesn't look the same as it does on camera or in pictures. So I am using Basic Beauty right here. And this is Bronzy AF bronzer palette, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so now we're going to use some blush. I'm going to use Seraphine Botanicals Happy Hibiscus right here. And I think I'm going to use a mix of, well, this is technically a illuminator, so I think I'm going to go with this pink here and use a little bit of this on top. Okay, so for highlight, I am using Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey, and I think I'm going to go with the mix of these two colors right here. Alright, for lip color, I am using Do It. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, and this is in Le Beige. This is a US company here, but that is a liquid lip that I'll be using, and then I will be putting I think this is a lip oil. This is from Mahina Moon in Tanness. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, but anyways, that is what it looks like. That is just to give it a little bit of a gold shimmer. For setting spray, we are using Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. Alright, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? If you do, let me know your thoughts on this look down below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.